Hello everyone, this is Shano Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic 1080p graphics card. Starting with the introduction, the 4K and ultra-wide resolution monitors have always been the industry's ruler since they have been launched. But according to a survey, most people use 1080p or below resolution monitors for gaming. There were times when you had to pay around $250 to buy a decent graphic cards, but today you need only spend this amount if you have a monitor with 120Hz, 144Hz or 240Hz refresh rates and so on to make the most out of it. But if you play on a 60Hz monitor and want to get 60 frames per second, you can cost a 1080p graphics card. Next is products. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. NVIDIA has been in the graphics industry for a long and has produced super good products. This GTX 1600 Super is a true value graphic card. It consists of 1408 CUDA cores. It has a core clock frequency of 1530 MHz that has been boosted up to 1785 MHz. The GTX 1660 Super has a memory of 6 GB GDDR6 type. The memory clock has a rate of usual 4 Gbps. Almost all the graphic cards has 1 into 8 pin power connectors. Second one is AMD Radeon RX 5600 RT. It is a top board in the industry of 1080 pixels. It gives a memory of 6 GB GDDR type. The memory clock of the Radeon RX is 14 Gbps. The core clock frequency of this graphic card is 1355 MHz and can also be boosted up to 1560 MHz. It has 2304 processor. The AMD Radeon has 1/8 pin power connectors. The outputs can be given by 3 display ports available and 1 HDMI port. Next is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. It consists of 1920 CUDA cores with a clock frequency of 1365 MHz. It can be boosted up to 1680 MHz of frequency. The GeForce RTX 2060 has a GDDR6 memory of 6 GB. The memory clock is 14 Gbps. This graphic card has 1 to 8 pin power connectors. The outputs are through the 3 display ports given and 1 HDMI port. NVIDIA is such a big name in the graphic card industry that this product is also a performer of 1080p category. The only bad thing about it that you need to lower down some of the phone settings, but this graphic cards is for those who want the ray tracing as well. Next is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1600. This graphic card is the super value pack which has 1408 CUDA cores. This is less than the previous NVIDIA RTX. Now the core clock frequency is 1530 MHz which can be boosted to 1785 MHz. It has a memory of GDDR6 6 GB. The memory clock is 14 Gbps. The power connectors are the usual 1 to 8 pins. The GTX 1600 does have the same 3 display ports along with 1 HDMI. In fact, this model of NVIDIA does not give the ray tracing option. Last but not the least, conclusion. In comparison with NVIDIA and AMD, both are unmatchable brands but it comes to graphic cards. But you quickly gauge the best product for you by understanding the classifications. For instance, if you want to play 1080p games, then NVIDIA 1660 is perfect. But if you look at affordability, AMD must be your choice. Also, the parameters mentioned above help you to choose the best product easily. Stay updated with us to know more information related to this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment.